Alright friends, welcome back to another product review. Today we're checking out the LOCOLO 12-piece jar gripper pads, which are also coasters, bottle openers, whatever you need some extra grip with. So it came in this little baggie here. Alright, so there's supposed to be 12 of these bad boys in there, so they might be looking like maybe kind of thin. That's alright though. Don't need super thick coasters, do we? Now, it also showed it as being like heat resistant, so I don't know if these are made of silicone or what are they made of? Ooh, I feel kind of cool. So, if I can get them out of here. Huh. Okay, it's more like an unbagging than an unboxing, but right on. Let's see what we got here. So there's one. It's like you know what it feels like? It feels like I can't think right now. It feels like a fruit roll-up. If you're rolling up a fruit roll-up, you know, dun, 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 right in the mouth. Anyways, that's not what it's for, because obviously this is, I believe it's some kind of silicone or rubber here. Feels fairly, oh yeah, okay, so I put it on the desk here and it's not going anywhere. It's actually a nice little, you know, you have some coasters, you put something on it and they're maybe like a ceramic coaster or something like that. So if you put a ceramic mug on a ceramic coaster, it's got a tendency to slide around a little bit. This is like a boom, like it's like a rubber grip thing there, so it's not sliding. Alright, so how many we got? We got one. Peel this off of here. There's two. Looks like they're all different colors, so like a rainbow. You could almost make like a little stuck on there pretty good. Okay, there's three. I wonder if these kind of like form together after time. My goodness. Raw. There's a gray one for 4. You know, this could be like kind of a cool little artwork project actually. Come off of there. Wow. Okay. This is actually kind of satisfying as far as just like peeling this off of here. World's most satisfying video. Okay, so here we got purple and green. Let's see if I can separate these guys. They seem to be close friends. Come on, it's time to let go. My goodness. They don't want to let go. This could, and naturally, you know, I just recently trimmed my fingernails, so there we go. Alright, how many is that? 2. We got brown, we got gray, we got red, we got purple, we got light green, we got other green. Here we go with an orange and kind of like an off orange color here. I'm making a little collage down here on the desk. I'll show you guys here in just a second, which is, these things just kind of form right back together. They want to be, maybe they're like long lost brothers type pads here. So they appear to have quite a bit of gripping ability. I wonder if I could just like stick these to the wall or something and make a cool little pattern. And then just, if you want a gripper real quick, throw these on there. Boom, boom. So that's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Well, let's see if I can count here. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Indeed. Alright, so here is my little gripper buddies here. So this seems pretty cool. First thoughts, they definitely like to stick to each other, so that's kind of cool. Definitely seem to be quite good at like being non-slippery. So, oh, you know what? I'm trying to stick it on the wall here. Whew. Hang on, let me show you guys this real quick. Boom, 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 da, da, da. Come on over to there. All right, so I'm thinking that is actually kind of cool. A cool feature, though. Sorry about that. Come back to us. All right. Well, it's not really working. Okay. So they just fell, but I think if I stuck them on there a little better, they'd be all right. Anyways, so actually kind of a cool like little artwork thing there. You could put it on your coffee table too and just kind of spread them out. Look like they want to kind of stick together, but they're definitely a lot easier to take off this time than they were initially. All right, so I'm going to test this out. This is the unboxing video. I'm going to do maybe a little demonstration here later on, and I'll be back with that to show that and have the final review on these things. So thanks for watching this video, my friends, and we'll see you all next time.